Hello, my little stars. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and doing great in your life. So, our today's topic is, do expensive pencils really make better art? Today, we are going to break a myth. Okay? Many beginners believe that professional artists create amazing drawings because they use costly materials. But is that true? Let's test it. On one side, I will use a basic HB pencil. On the other side, I will use a premium drawing pencil. As you can see, both pencils can create lines, shadings, and details. Yes, expensive pencils may feel smoother and offer a wide range of tones, but they don't magically improve your drawing skills. Understanding proportions, light, shadow, and consistent practice matters much more. Give the beginners the most expensive pencil set, and the result may still look like a beginner's drawing. Give a skilled artist a simple pencil, and they can create something amazing. So, what's the truth? Expensive pencils can help, but they don't create a great art. Your skills do. Myth busted. If you enjoyed this Art Mythbuster episode, hit the like button, subscribe to Artist World SR, and let me know which myth I should bust next. See you in the next video. Until then, bye. Take care.